Last week, I showed you how your money can go very far in Egypt.
You can feed a dog for 13 cents, buy a souvenir for 20 cents, and eat McDonald's for $2.
But what I didn't show you is that these prices are only cheap for you. For the rest of the world, this is expensive.
When you make $200 a month, like an average worker in Egypt, that dog you feed will cost you $20 a month.
It's too expensive to own an animal.
That $200 hotel is 1 month of work. With $6 a day, that $2 McDonald's meal is 1/3 of your paycheck before taxes. Traveling on any plane is so expensive that your country becomes your prison. No matter how cheap these prices are, in reality, they're barely affordable for the people living there. The world is cheap for some, but for these guys,
The world is expensive.
That's 1 minute. YouTube, if you like this video, then I think you're gonna love Nas Academy. It's a new online school we just started to give you a voice. Yes, making videos has given me a voice. And with this voice, you can reach millions of people on the internet. Tell them stories that you care about and actually change their opinion. This skill of making videos changed my life, and I think it can change yours.